Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12 and I will show you how you can customize notification bar icons. So if you want to change these icons, change the position of them, you have to tap right here, then click to button order. And for example, if you want to get the mute on the upper section, you have to click hold and then drag. The same for every icon that you have here. If you want to get additional icons from this side, click hold and put it here. And when we make it something like that, we can remove the icons, and when you click done, you will don't have these icons that you removed. If you want to get them back, just click, go for the button order, and then you can put them back here. So that's how it looks, and of course you can reset these icons by clicking right here. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.